Hello everyone, we're back again in another video tutorial. This one should be piece of cake for many of you, but for the ones that don't know and want to save some money, this is spark plug replacement. Car's been acting up a little weird since like some sort of a spark problem, or maybe some fuel injector with a possibility of a gas pump issue. I've been having kind of like problems with the car when I'm pressing the gas. It doesn't seem that it's making a good torque, or if I could say, maybe the sparks are not doing the job as they supposed to. So very easy. So this is the second one that I'm taking off. You got 4 spark plugs. All you have to do is remove a 10mm screw from here, and once you remove the screw, all you have to do is just pop this thing off, and it should pop up so easy. And the size of the nut for the spark plug is it's a 14-inch. It's not a 5/8 like a typical with the one that has a gasket in for these are meant for a spark plug, but I guess that these are for like bigger vehicles or whatever. So this is the first one that I'm taking off. It's pretty damn beat up. As far as I know, this is recommended to replace once you reach 100,000 miles, or if it could be less. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, man, I'm just trying to show a video how to remove it. I got an extension to make it look, to make it easier on me. And all you have to do is just, as soon as you make sure that this thing basically it's loose, the nut that I have in there doesn't have the gasket like as the one that most of the spark plugs, but I'm sure that they sell those things. I haven't been able to grab the plug once I remove it, so what I do instead, I just use all I'm using is the gasket to grab into the nipple of the plug, and with my hand stick it back in there, do a few turns just to make sure that it's loose, and it should pop up if I'm lucky. There you go. You see how easy that is? So if I was you, and if you have one of these kits or the whole set of your sockets, don't buy the special one, because all you need is the 14 millimeter and the 5/8, the one that has a gasket in it, and that's basically just gonna be done to remove the spark plug, because with that one not having the gasket is not grabbing it from the nipple. But yeah, you look at this is the second one, so they shouldn't be looking that bad. So yeah, and to put the new one in is the same procedure, just working your way backwards. I bought these bolts at AutoZone for like $10 a piece. If you're buying these yourself and doing this yourself, might as well invest some money on buying some good ones instead of paying somebody a lot of money for them to put you some cheap ones. That's my best advice. And I do the same thing, put the 5/8 with the the little gasket to grab into the nipple, put it back by hand. Always do it by hand first before you use any torque on the wrench, because you might mess the thread and then you're gonna be in a bigger problem. So once you get all the way in by hand, that's when you use your wrench. And another thing that I bought. It's a spark plug boot protector, and this, all you had to do is put a little bit in here, and that'll help prevent the moisture and corrosion on the sparks for better durability. So I'm just gonna be showing you how to do one, and it'll be the same procedure. So you just gotta change the 4 of them. So if I'm lucky, because sometimes it gets also, all right, so sometimes the socket gets inside because you don't have enough of the thread grabbing into the motor head. So what I do, I change my 14. Let's see, so you can see that it's a 14. Then I use the other piece of the tool so we can tighten it. Oh, by the way, there's a cover. This cover goes on top of it goes in there. I'm sorry, it was backwards. So this compartment, I had to take it off to make my job easier, and this little hose goes into this little part in there. So you had to remove this case cover in order for you to get to this one, and this one makes your job easier. And it's very easy. All you have to do is lose the little bolt in there, the set screw, whatever. And there's another screw that is a 10-inch in here. And you see it. Let me see where that screw went. So this is a regular 10 millimeter screw as well. So just as this one, but it's got a head. I don't know where I put it, but it should be somewhere in there. I'm not too worried about. But yeah, it goes in here, and that one just to get a better way to work on these two. And you don't have to do a lot of torque. This is as much as you can get to it. And I hope you find this very helpful. I know that the previous video that I uploaded for the alarm honk problem, where your car doesn't honk when you press the button, and it just like basically enables the alarm when you press the button on the control remote. But you can go and check the video if you have problems like that. Please subscribe to my channel, press and like, and any comments, I would appreciate everything. Just as I'm helping you guys, I'm trying to build my subscribers on my channel, so I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe and like it, to even comment any of my videos. Thank you so much.